V-Line is now Australia's largest regional rail operator. We're growing really fast, particularly since the introduction of the regional rail lines. We're keeping up with that growth and at the same time modernising. Systems like iTrace have multiple benefits around being able to control, particularly from a safety perspective and from a configuration control perspective, those safety critical components that we use right across the railway industry, right through the supply chain, not only when those components are being used on V-Line, when they're being sent away for repair, upgrade, modification, overhaul. We can trace those components. That's really important from a safety perspective. We can also control where those components are fitted on our network. Having control over those safety critical components right across our system makes life so much easier for our engineers out in the field. It helps us from a perspective of controlling our inventory. We know where everything is. These places have traditionally been quite untidy, quite messy, and with the introduction of these systems, we're seeing our staff from an engagement perspective taking a lot more pride in the workplace, making those warehouses safer. We've progressed quite well, particularly in our asset management space. We started with one warehouse and we're gradually rolling it out right across our system. What we're seeing is very much an increase in staff engagement. The staff are taking a lot more pride over their work. The warehouses are much tidier than they've ever been before. Certainly from an asset management perspective, we're finding that it's a lot easier for us to control the configuration of these components across the network. Financial planning is becoming easier. We're understanding usages of these types of components a lot better. Financial control around this whole supply chains has improved. We know if we're using these components at certain rates because we're controlling that usage much better than we've ever done before. It makes reordering and planning far much more effective. One of the drawbacks of being in Australia is a long way away from the rest of the world. Being part of a supply chain that is on the other side of the world is sometimes very difficult, particularly for the railway industry. iTrace really helps to bridge that gap, bridge that distance, because it makes us better able to procure these components from across the seas, and it makes that whole supply chain process more efficient.